Hello everyone, how is your day going today? I will show you how to fix and solve this problem on Twitter. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. Now and first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this go and open apps. On apps here you will search for Twitter application. Where is Twitter? Yeah, when you found it, just open it like this and then go to storage. On storage, go now to clear the cache, also clear data, click OK and go back and click on force stop also, and then you have to go to Play Store and update your Twitter. So that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel and see you in another video.